This is a Valentine's Day promotional video to recruit puppy raisers for Southeastern guide dogs. The video begins with short clips of puppies playing with Valentine's Day themed items. The clips quickly flash by to the beat of the music. The clips become longer and we view two lab puppies playing with a giant stuffed teddy bear. The pups are all wearing Valentine's Day themed bandanas. The puppies are all jumping around playing with felt flowers and stuffed hearts with sayings written on them. The yellow lab puppy looks directly at the camera holding a heart that reads Hubba Hubba. The view switches and two puppies are sharing kisses with one another. The scene zooms out and we view the puppies continuing to play with the toys. The final scene shows a yellow lab sitting next to the stuffed bear with a stuffed heart in front of her that reads, "Sweetheart." She looks directly at the camera and winks. The purple and blue Southeastern Guide Dogs logo appears then disappears. Text rises into the frame and reads, "Experience the puppy love. Become a volunteer puppy raiser. www.guidedogs.org/puppy love